If you're getting the GOG Install Error E9, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your game installed again without the frustration. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed with a simple restart of the download, a permissions check, a file repair, or a quick antivirus adjustment. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart the download inside GOG Galaxy. Open GOG Galaxy on your computer and go to the download section. Once you're there, click Resume All to make sure everything starts properly, and then click Pause All. This may sound a little unusual, but it can refresh the download queue and clear temporary issues that are sometimes causing the install error in the background. After that, give it a moment, then try resuming the installation again. If the error is still showing up, the next thing to check is your disk space. GOG installs can fail when your drive is nearly full, even if it looks like there's still a little room left. Make sure you have enough free storage for the game itself, and ideally keep an extra 5 to 10 gigabytes of buffer space available. That extra space helps GOG Galaxy unpack files properly during installation, which can prevent the E9 error from coming back. If storage looks fine and you're still stuck, the next fix is to run GOG Galaxy as an administrator. Right-click the GOG Galaxy shortcut or the executable, and then click Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to write files, manage installations, and complete updates without being blocked by Windows. In many cases, a simple admin launch is enough to get past install-related errors. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to verify or repair the game files. Open GOG Galaxy again, go to your installed games list, and select the game that is failing to install or update. Then click the Settings gear icon, choose Manage Installation, and select Verify or Repair. This will scan the files and fix anything that might be missing, corrupted, or incomplete. It's one of the best ways to clean up installation problems without having to start all over again. Now, if the error continues, your antivirus or firewall may be interfering with the install. Security software can sometimes block GOG Galaxy from downloading or writing files correctly, especially if it mistakes the installer for suspicious activity. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, then try installing the game again. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterwards so your PC stays secure. Once you've gone through these steps, the GOG Install Error E9 should be resolved in most cases. Start by refreshing the download, then check your disk space, run GOG Galaxy as administrator, verify or repair the game files, and finally test with antivirus temporarily decided if needed. If this guide helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.